Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly assign someone to a specific task on a checklist. So guys, if I'm going to go ahead and open up a card here, and here you can see I have a specific checklist. And to create checklists are very easy. You want to click checklist from the right hand side here and you can start create your checklist, right? You can even copy items as well, as you can see here if you have another one. So that's also pretty easy to do. Now, once you find a specific item on a checklist that you want to assign to a particular person, you want to hover over that point or that option there, and you want to look towards the right hand side, and you'll find like a members or user icon, right? You click on that and you will have the option to find that person. So you find that person you want to assign and you basically select them, and you can see basically you assign that person to it. So the second one here, I'm going to assign for example myself, and you can see basically here that's how you assign a particular member or particular person to a specific task on a checklist. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.